The foundation of Sophie Marceau Company dates back to 2007. Over the years, we've accumulated vast experience and gained the trust of customers worldwide. Following the latest technologies and innovations, we manufacture European recognized products that meet our requirements and standards. Professional approach let us select high-quality raw materials from trustworthy suppliers and equip our factory with reliable and powerful machines. Modern production machinery like large format UV printing machine allow us to manufacture incredible customized racing products. Each project is a customized solution that is possible to achieve only with a combination of engineering, technology, and art. We value your time and stick to deadlines, shipping Sophie Marceau ceilings over the entire globe. We engineered about 30 profile models that open an endless range of possibilities for our projects. Sophie Marceau managed to build a team of professionals, inspired them to gain brilliant results and deliver superb service. At the moment, Sophie Marceau takes one of the leading positions in the European marketplace, participating in international building expos annually. We are passionate about what we do.